What if I told you for just pennies you could be a player in the emerging high-growth stock market? Seems impossible to believe, but it's true. There are thousands, that's right, thousands of stocks available on recognized markets, including NASDAQ, Amex, New York Stock Exchange, that you can buy for pennies and make huge profit, even if you have zero experience. Today on Stock Watch, we're focused on how to make big money on stocks that are trading for pennies. In the show today, we're going to reveal penny stock after penny stock that has made huge profits, like roll it, Baldwin Technologies, which our experts revealed to subscribers when it was trading at $1.25 per share. Baldwin spiked strongly to $6.73. That's a pretty nice 438% gain. Or Forward Industries, take a look at it. Picked by our experts as a buy when it was trading at $1 before it rose to a 2,885% gain, hitting $29.85. Absolute Software was another one, trading at 80 cents. When our experts discovered it, it ramped up to $40.64 per share, multiplying your investment 49 times over and giving you a 4,980% gain. Today, we're going to give you the keys to finding the next big little winner. Stay tuned. In the next half hour, we'll be joined by corporate CEOs from penny stock companies making big moves and big money. Wall Street Net's Jim Sugarman and Peter Leeds, the penny stock pro, the foremost leading expert on penny stock investing. Plus, we're going to find out how Peter Leeds uses Leeds analysis to discover his life-changing hot list and quick pick penny stocks. Stay tuned to Stock Watch. It starts now. Now, many people have these preconceived notions that penny stocks are risky or hard to sell or just plain shady. But did you know that both Ford and Xerox used to be penny stocks? These major American companies were started by entrepreneurs who turned small businesses into major corporations. Ford and Xerox couldn't have turned into massive companies without investors jumping in on the American dream. Welcome to Stock Watch. I'm Brian Fasulo. Take a look and see how people have made hundreds of thousands of dollars on penny stocks with the help of a remarkable industry expert. Check it out.
Peter puts it out there in very plain language. And after you follow what he's doing there and you've watched the stocks that he's provided over time, you get a certain level of confidence that, okay, Peter does know what he's doing. And I do trust what he's saying.
There is a question of how much you're going to have to invest. In this case, you don't have to invest too much. I mean, you can start with just a small amount and then end up with double that, which is great.
It amazes me, you know, how simple it is for people to be able just to go on, click, sign up, get the information, and have Peter do it all for you. Like, that's what, you know, I said to my wife, so, you know, don't try to make this any more difficult than it is, you know. Pay Peter per month and get him to look at it for you. That's what he does. Makes people money.
Joining me on set is the industry expert on penny stocks, the penny stock pro, Peter Leeds. Now, you may know him already as he's regularly interviewed by national media, including NBC, Fox, CBS, and CNN Financial. As soon you'll find out, no one in the world knows more about penny stocks than this guy. Good to see you, Peter Leeds.
Thank you.
Okay, now, Peter, you have studied and researched penny stocks for many, many years to develop the Leeds analysis. So now, why does it work so well at revealing which penny stocks have the greatest upside potential?
Well, thanks for having me on the show today, Brian. Stock investing is a mix of timing, research, and risk management. Finding the right balance of these as an investor is so difficult, and this is exactly why Leeds analysis is so powerful. People want to invest in companies that are financially strong, with increasing momentum and rapid growth, but rarely have the time or the experience to know what to look for. Unfortunately, this results in people buying the wrong stocks at the wrong prices and for the wrong reasons. I developed Leeds analysis to find the best companies that have rock-solid fundamentals, proven management teams, growing revenues, and exploding market share. These are companies that have everything going for them, but they're trading for pennies a share simply because they're undervalued or overlooked.
So what are some of the indicators in picking penny stocks with this huge profit potential?
Leeds analysis uncovers the penny stocks with the greatest upside potential using 29 specific categories. Some of these key categories include financial results. If you know how to interpret them, these reveal so much about a company. Support levels. These are prices at which the shares are very unlikely to fall below due to a buildup in buying pressures. Trading activity. When there's a spike in investor interest, the stock price very often follows suit.
Peter Leeds' website, peterleeds.tv, has over 15,000 subscribers that trust Leeds analysis, and that's why they really trust Peter's picks. Peter's hot list identifies the best penny stocks with the most potential for growth. Now, Peter, you've had many giant picks make giant profits.
With my hot list picks, I give you my unbiased opinion of the best stocks to buy, the price to buy them, when to sell, and at what price to take your profits. Disc Incorporated was trading at 38 cents when we selected it as a buy, and within less than 4 months it had ramped up to $4.13. That's over 9 times your money. And it didn't stop there, because the shares spiked even further, $9.93 for a 2,500% gain. How about Blue Green Corporation? We put it on the hot list as a buy at $1.75. It rose in value to $24.74. That's a profit of over 13 times whatever amount you had invested. Here's another one, USANA Health Sciences. We revealed this penny stock to our subscribers at a buy at $1.30 per share. This undiscovered company didn't go unnoticed for long, as USANA ramped up to $123.56 per share for a gain of 9,400%. As you can see, and our subscribers already know, USANA isn't a penny stock anymore. And there's hundreds more of these opportunities right now, which we reveal when we believe they're ready to explode in price.
9,000%. Not a bad deal there. So now, obviously, many people have never invested in stocks before. A lot of people have never invested in penny stocks. So would this be for them?
Of course it is, Brian. At peterleeds.tv, my team and I specialize in getting people started with investing for the very first time. We have the resources and tools that make investing fun and exciting. This includes Leeds Analysis, my book, Understanding Penny Stocks, and our Quick Start package. We help you learn the secrets and avoid the dangers while we guide you with our winning penny stock picks. What's great about investing in penny stocks is that the price points of the stocks are so much lower than other types of investments. This means that you can start investing with much smaller amounts of money. With peterleeds.tv providing the information and the guidance, penny stock investing can be for anyone.
We're going to take a quick break. When we come back, we'll be joined by wallstreet.net's Jim Sugarman. We'll break down Peter's quick fix picks, stocks that are undiscovered, undervalued, and under $1. You don't want to miss it.
You know, in a down market like now, I mean, it's sort of common sense that you don't sell what you have, but you don't know when that up market is going to come, and he seems to kind of have a sense of where it's moving and what you should hold on to and what you should let go of.
I just felt comfortable with it, and I just felt with the way he presented, with the way he has his team and you know, the knowledge. So that was my aha moment, was finding Peter Leeds.
These are companies that to me sound tremendous. They sound as though their stock should be worth a lot more than under $1, and for the price that I would be getting involved in these companies that, in my opinion, probably within a relatively short time are going to be worth a lot more than, you know, the prices they're at.